Alright guys, welcome back to Vincent Surprise, and today we're at Ikea. Here's lunch, fries, meatballs.
Il était bien avant le restaurant.
Daily Starbucks run. Now we're at Auchan. It's like, gosh, it's like a bigger version of like Super U, Carrefour, Leclerc. It's like a super big, it's like, think like a super Walmart, super Target. That's what these are, but mostly grocery store. And like a tiny section of it is close. Look at how big these tomatoes are. Oh my god, they're a whole hand of Vincent. We're at Leclerc now, and I'm just gonna say this, like, why does everyone always look so miserable? Like, especially the cashiers. Like, if you don't want to work, then like stop working, you know. I got sushi. So now guys, we're home and we put everything away. My little cousins are spending the night tonight, and yeah, so I'm super excited for it. And we just finished swimming, so sleeping for dinner.
Choco caca. Non, pas du tout. T'es sûr?